Quick Receipt stores your company's documents, reports, and settings in a dedicated database folder. You have the flexibility to create multiple databases, each catering to a different company. In this video, we'll explore how to create database in the software. To get started, go to the File menu and select Switch Database. This will bring up a pop-up window displaying all available databases. When you first install Quick Receipt software, it will create a database called Default for you. To create a new database, click the green Add button. In the pop-up dialog, enter a descriptive name for the new database, such as the name of your company. You'll then need to provide an empty folder where the data for this database will be stored. Click the Browse button to select the appropriate empty folder. You can choose to start with a clean database or select the Copy option to duplicate data and settings from another existing database. Once you've made your selections, click the Save button to create the new database. To switch between databases, simply select the desired one from the list and click the Switch Database button at the bottom. This will close the current database and open the selected one. You can verify the active database by checking the title bar at the top. By using separate databases, you can now manage documents, reports, and settings for each of your companies independently. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating databases in Quick Receipt software.